Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Artist King here with you again. Um, Today I am once again using an old canvas that I did a piece on years ago, and it's just been sitting there with a lot of other canvases that I did when I first started out. So I am going to use this to do kind of a mixed media piece with some magazine images, with a magazine image, not images, just one image. So I'm also using a few stencils to change up the background just a little bit. So as you can see, I use blue, I'm using pink, and probably I should have used a different color, maybe red, but that's okay. I'm using pink here. And yeah, you'll see. And I found that using the ink on these stencils is much better than using actual paint. For some reason, the paint, I don't know, it just doesn't do the stencils very well. But I wanted to try something different, so that's why I used the paint. So now I'm using some silver paint here, and a different type of gold bronzy color is what I'm using here. But looking back on it now, these colors didn't really show up like I wanted them to. And once again, I feel like if I had them in ink, these colors would have shown up a lot brighter. So that will be one of the things I'm gonna work on next, is looking for ink different colors, because I have a few colors, not a whole lot, but I want to get some more colors so that I can use them in my pieces instead of the paint. So yes, I did one with the middle silver and the outside bronze. So this one I did with the middle bronze and the outside silver, just for something different. Yeah. So I have these huge 12 by 12 inch stencils. I love them. I don't know how many I have. I bought quite a bit of them so I can use in different things. So now I'm trying to get the ink dry before I put the image on and finish with the rest of the stuff. I've been thinking lately I want to go back to doing some portrait art. So I think I've done a few of these. I usually do my videos way ahead of time and just store them, so when it's on the day I can just post them without being in a hurry. But I think I really want to go back to doing some portrait artwork, some faces I should say, because I have a lot of my old pieces on the wall in my studio, and lately I've been looking at them and I've been kind of wanting to go back to some of that. So I think that's what I'll be doing. So you'll probably see some of my portrait artwork in the future. I don't know when, but I think I definitely need to go back and do a few of those. So yeah, so that's the image that I chose, and I chose that image because of the color of the lady's hair and her clothes and the jewelry and everything. So like I said, maybe I should have used red or a dark red instead of the pink, but that's okay. So now I always love to use the black on the stencils. It just stands out so well, rather than most of the other colors don't stand out as well as the black. And please excuse the condition of my hands. You dipping it in the ink, you dipping it in the paint. Unless I want to keep running back inside my house to wash my hands, because in my studio I don't have a faucet in my studio. So every time I gotta wash my hands, I gotta run back inside and come back. And I gotta stop the video and all that stuff. So please bear with the state of my hands. So yeah, so now I'm using different stencils, different colors to kind of, give it a certain background. And of course, anybody would know, the lighter colors on a background like this, the lighter color ink does not show up. So like I tried this red and it just didn't do very well. You can hardly see it. So I'm gonna try and get some different shades of the ink stamp, some different shades of different colors that maybe could stand out a little bit. Or maybe when I run out of these used canvases, I will have some white ones where you'll be able to see these colors standing out more than they do on this. So yeah, there I used like a light lilac, and you could see a little bit of the lilac, but not a whole lot. Yes, I really, I love using these stencils. And as you can see, I use the craft brushes, which almost everything you see here that I use, I either bought them on Amazon, which is my go-to place for everything, or at Walmart or Hobby Lobby. Those are the three places I get stuff for my artwork. So yeah, so like these are some alcohol markers. I think I got those at Amazon though, but I think Hobby Lobby has them. They're super expensive at Hobby Lobby, and Walmart has them, and they're not that expensive at Walmart. So just in case you're ever looking for some alcohol markers, that's where you can get them. Yes, I decided to outline the image, and then just kind of go from there. So anyway, you guys, the video is almost done. So don't forget to like and subscribe and to share. Show it to somebody who you think might like it, and subscribe. And I post Tuesdays and Saturdays. Do not ever forget that. And thank you to my subscribers and the new people who are watching for the first time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay? All right. Bye now.